Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Oz Espresso Machines. Today we finished the repair on this old pre-millennium Pavoni Europiccola. Now we upgraded to the new gauge. This is an original gauge and we got the adapter from Stefano, and you see how the gauge is climbing up. I'm going to turn off the machine now and we're going to talk about this real quick. So this is the older version with the two heating elements, and it got converted by someone else just to have one switch. You can see it here on the side, and then basically just goes to high. And then back in the day when it was original, you just flip it, and then once it gets to 1 bar, it starts shooting out steam from here, and that's how it's regulating the pressure, versus the newer versions that's using a pressure stat. Now, the customer really wanted to get more out of their machines. Basically, if you don't have a gauge, you don't know what's going on inside. Also, there's a trick that a lot of Pavoni users use, is pulling shots at 0.7 or 0.8 bars of pressure, which will result in 200 degrees Fahrenheit while brewing. So that's how you ensure you don't burn your coffee and you have a nice shot. But if you want to steam, you want to go maybe to 1.5. So that's basically what we're going to do today. Once it reaches 1.5, it starts shooting steam from the pressure release valve that was recalibrated, and we want to enjoy both worlds and keep our beloved machine. So also, this is not going to be, well, yeah, it will be possible with newer versions, but you have to do the trick where you turn it off, pull a shot, turn it back on, and then steam. It happens fairly quickly. We're not going to steam, but I'm also going to demonstrate how it goes all the way up. So let's do it. By the way, if you want to make sure to follow us on Instagram, or you want to see more of our stuff, make sure to look us up. We try to upload daily, and we have more machines there. So let's go to it. So now we drop down to 0.5. I'm just going to go up to 0.7 or 0.8, and then I'm going to be pulling a shot. We don't have the drip tray today. I might have another one here somewhere, but we'll just do it the way it is. So quick heat, turn it off. I'm gonna load the coffee over here. I'm gonna be pulling the lever up. Wait for pre-infusion. Just a little more. Here we go. This is a really nice shot. Let me just grab a towel real quick. Put something here. Sorry about the mess. I'm just gonna leave it because we don't have the drip tray. Let's take a look at this. So this is a very nice shot, and it looks like the right temperature too. We still have pressure. Just gonna take this guy off so it won't one drip. There we go. I'll give it a nice clean and flip this guy back up so we can look at the steam. Here we go. Keep climbing, keep climbing. Whoops. Sorry. Drop this little guy here. So I'm gonna use this to demonstrate steam pressure. This is pretty good. Okay. See, already at 1.5. Now we have a lot of steam, so we're ready to froth. This is fairly quick. Now you have a lot of steam pressure, so this is great. And it's holding the pressure too. And once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and turn it off. Should be fine. So, I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment below and make sure to subscribe. And as always, have a good day.